Today's video, going to be seeing what's going on with this window, since it's, once you take the tape off, the window wants to fall. So it either came off the track or the cable snapped. Go ahead and take off this cover. Right in here, there's a 9/32 bolt. There's a bolt down here holding the bottom. All I do is press that on this clip and pull it out. Go ahead and take off this plastic shielding. Right off the bat, I saw this hanging just here, and if I pull up on the window, you can see that the window is still attached to the track. So the assembly just snapped the cable. We're gonna go ahead and remove the molding. Pull straight up. And there's two nuts right here holding the window to the track. 10mm. Let's get the 10mm up here. There's a slot so the bolt can come out, so we're not going to have to take it all the way off. 10mm down here, two of them. Three 10s. Here's your track. You can see that this should be put up against this right here, but it's broken. They're not broken, but there's slack in it, because now if you follow it, you go through the mechanism, you follow the track, and it's done. And here's a new one. You can see the springs are compressed, or they should be compressed into the slot. And over here, goes through its loops to route the cable to the moving bracket, but this one is disconnected. We're going to transfer the top guiding bolt on, loosely install that, so then we could just hang it off of here. We're going to take off our little caps that protect the threads, and now we're going to go ahead and take that and fish it into the door. You could do it with the whole door panel, but I'm taking it off just so you can see. Gotta plug the switch back in, because it needs the switch to complete the circuit. You can't just do it from the driver switch. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna lift it up. We're gonna loosen the window clamps. Now with the clamps loosened, we're gonna go down to give room for the window to go in. Now with the window sitting on the track, we're going to go ahead and put in our molds. We're going to lift the window to where it's fully seated, and then we're going to tighten down the clamps so where it's tying down in its natural resting place. So now we're gonna go ahead and lift it up. It's gonna center itself on the trim. Now we know it's fully sealed up in its groove. Now we can go ahead and tighten down the window. Alright, we're good to go. Now we'll go ahead and put everything back on the cover. When you're installing the door panel, you're going to want to put these slots in their grooves. You're not going to be able to see it, but we're going to go ahead and put our connector back on the switch. And that's how you replace these window regulators assemblies on these Tahoes. Hopefully this video helps y'all. Y'all have a good one.